Hey there. We've got item number 2 today, and we're going to go through the whole process with this, start to finish. This is something that you need, that you may not know that you need right now. And in this case, I'm going to show it to you. It says Mighty Max battery. That's the part number, and that's the voltage. Now, this battery, the reason I have this today is that I got an email last night from Fios, Verizon Fios, telling me that my battery in my head end unit down in the basement has died and need replacement. That gives you backup power for when everything goes off in the house. It keeps things running, so your internet will stay on. So this is exactly why I bought this. I am going to take you through the process of going down right now and installing it. But first, let's take a look at it. The other one I had bought in 2022. So it's just a little over 3 years old, and that puppy's died, okay? This is a direct replacement. Just a couple of connections on here, very simple, very easy. So I'm going to take you along with me now, and we're going to go take care of this. Stand by. So if you have Verizon Fios, you probably have one of these somewhere in your house. And if you take a look on mine, like Fios told me, I need to replace the battery. Because you can see right here, it says replace battery. So this is, I've already loosened this up. And you just swing this open, and your battery is right inside here. Okay, that's as tough as it is, okay? So you kind of just jostle this out. There's a couple of clamps, and look at this. This was replaced 12-12-22. Very interesting. So we're just about 4 years on this battery. So we're just going to walk it out of here, okay? And we're going to take the leads off, just like this. There's a black lead, and there's a red lead, okay? This is the old battery we're going to get rid of. This is the replacement battery that's going to go in. You just take these plastic covers off, okay? And then we put the black lead on, like this. And then we put the red lead on, just like that. Okay? And then somehow we're going to jostle this back up into position. Nicey nice. Get the cord out of the way. Slide it in. And that's all she wrote, folks. That's it. That is done and installed. That's how easy it is. Now all done. All you have to do is just close that back up. As you can see, we have no more replaced battery light on here. And if the battery light was on, it meant the power was off or something was wrong and you'd be operating on battery. But that's it for now. Hopefully that was easy for you. Check out the link in the description and certainly grab yourself one. And also like and subscribe. Thank you.